And I'm running a 32S3 transmitter, a 75S3B receiver, and I just changed microphones on and put a Shure mic on it, and took that nasty D104 off, and I'm hoping I got pretty good audio. Go ahead.
You do, Larry. Your audio is very nice. Nice and clear, good communication quality, over.
Very good, very good. Well, would you like to see what it sounds like with the D104 on it?
Sure. That'd be all right.
Okay, here's the D104 there, go ahead.
I like the other mic a lot better.
The D104, go ahead.
Sounds, your signal's real good here. You're 5'9", plus 10 part of the time, Larry. Out from Winston, Oregon. Everything going good out there today?
Yeah, real good. I just tuned you, and I got you up over 10 over. Run the Mosley 6-element tri-band. They're an old one. It was.
Alpha 7 Victor 0,
Kilo 5 Sierra Victor.
We're back.
Station ending Victor, go ahead, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, guy. The call is Kilo 5 Sierra Victor K5 SVB.
Kilo Sierra 5 Victor, let me make sure I get this right.
Last time I looked at the clock, it was like 3:15 or something like that, and I'm saying, wow, I missed that. And I was kind of busy doing stuff, and I kind of went right on by. And I was planning on getting on, but it's kind of, time slipped by quickly there, over.
Oh, sure, boy, I understand that.
When you stack it, there's a specific stacking distance to obtain, the optimum gain. And I wanted to tell you about that it's the spacing. So 15, which is in the middle of the 10-meter band, in between 10 meters and 20 meters there.
units out from this one, but
Check. Anyone else for radio check? KB7BX.
Whatever works. So I'm having trouble with my 100 MX, and I thought it was a relay, which I got my hands on a pretty rare relay, and turns out I was wrong, which is interesting because when I pushed on the relay, it was working. So anyway, that just must have been coincidental. So I'm now, going through the service manual and finding it to be a mixed bag of information where they don't give you a block diagram, they don't give you the frequency of different oscillators to reach the operating frequency. They leave it up to mastering, yet they're very good at describing the circuits.
the minister apparently is hitting on all cylinders. Oh, wonderful. Good to hear. All right. So now you just need to follow the kitty around with a little cup.
Yeah, well, no, what I need to do is just watch when she walks into the litter box, and then when she goes, see if she pooped. And if she pooped, it's actually a little, it's a test tube, and the cap has a little scoop at the end. So I just need to scoop out a little bit. So, yeah, if it's not one thing, it's another. Yeah.
I can't hear the door. I heard Frank, and that was about it.
Oh, no, you heard Kelly. This is Frank.
Oh, this is Frank. I heard Kelly. I keep getting you guys because I am so sorry. But I just couldn't.
Well, I thought that guy up on 346, that POTA in Georgia was, but by golly, he was the loudest. Of course, you're pretty loud tonight too, Tony.
Yeah, I'm glad I can hear you, Frank, because it was like I said, I'm listening and I'm like, what is
doesn't activate it. I guess it's been driving my wife crazy on her TV. And she says, the TV keeps going off every hour. I'm going, well, yeah, it's on this smart power bar. I guess I might have forgot to tell her when they came and they gave us all these smart power bars. But anyway, I switched that out, and so I swapped the Christmas tree lights for the
about 700 watts, and our antennas are on a clip system above our QTH, and this is a 40-meter inverted V off a beam at 95 feet, and we're using a Heil Pro 7. So that's what we got going on this end. Tell me about your setup there. making the trip. There is a lot of noise on there, but you're making the trip. So, Scott, let me say 73 while I still can. Thank you so much.
To get him some other specialized place like the dealer. Oh, man, my voice is awful. Well, we ever had a busy day. I had to take Jackie in for her appointment on her nose and throat. No, ears and nuts.
They wanted to say something, so. Make a transmission, Mark. This is MGYJQX.
Okay, on the